Okay, you're welcome once again to beginner's drawing. And what we're gonna be learning today is just few steps on how to draw a number of two circles in a given circle. First and foremost, let's say we're given a circle of radius 4 centimeters. So we draw the circle of radius 4 centimeters. So this is the circle of radius 4 centimeters. So we call the circle of radius 4 centimeters circle with center point O. So the next step is to draw the first internal circle. To draw the first internal circle, we say with center point O and radius R minus radius of the first internal circle, draw an arc. Let's just say radius of the first internal circle is 1.5. So we say 4 minus 1.5, which is actually 2.5. So we say with center point O and radius 2.5, called an arc. And we call the arc A, arc with center point A. So to complete the first internal circle, we take center point A and radius of 1.5 from the side of the circle and draw the first internal circle. So this is the first internal circle. This is the first internal circle. So now to draw the second internal circle. To draw the second internal circle, we say the center point O and radius R minus radius of the second internal circle, we call an arc. Since radius of the second, let us say radius of the second internal circle is 1 centimeter. So we say 4 minus 1 centimeter, which is actually 3 centimeters. So we say the center point O and radius 3 centimeters, we call an arc. Center point O and radius 3 centimeters, called an arc. Center point O and radius 3 centimeters, called an arc. So after that, we say the center point A and radius of both circles, draw an arc to call the previous one as B. Since radius of the first internal circle is 1.5 and radius of the second internal circle is 1 centimeters, so radius of both circles will be 2.5 actually. So therefore, we say with center point A and radius of both circles, we draw an arc to call the previous one as B. So with center point B and radius of the second internal circle, we draw a circle to touch the side of the given circle and also touch the first internal circle. This is the steps in drawing a number of two circles in a given circle. Make sure the circle does not go outward of the given circle. It touches a side of the given circle, as we are told. So in our next class, we'll be learning how to draw a circle to touch two given circles. The circle is to exclude one and include the other. Thank you.